This is the 8BitDo Ultimate 3-mode controller for Xbox. Just recently came out with the 40th anniversary rare imaging on it. And most importantly, this is a wireless controller for Xbox. Normally 8BitDo will have a wired connection for their Xbox controllers, and then wireless for everything else, PC and so forth. But this one is completely wireless, so let's check it out. Little tiny tab thingies, you can open it up without having to slice your hands open. That's nice. Inside the box, oh, what do we have here? Okay, let's check this out. So there's a controller, kind of standard feel to the triggers. Most important thing for me is the D-pad. I find on the standard Xbox controller, it's, oops, I just turned it on. One thing I don't like about the buttons is they're very clicky and drives the family nuts if I'm playing something and all you can hear is clicking of buttons. So D-pad is nice and quiet, feels pretty good so far. Sticks feel pretty good, what I'm used to from an 8BitDo controller. And there's two little back paddle buttons as well, which is kind of cool. As you can see, it's got some imagery on it. There's puzzle pieces, looks like some Sea of Thieves stuff, and looks like there might even be something Viva Pinata, but I'm not sure. But the puzzle pieces from Banjo-Kazooie, and overall, the color scheme is pretty cool. In addition to the controller, you've got the USB cable, USB-C. You've got a 1-month trial pass for Game Pass Ultimate. I hope I can use it. I'm a subscriber already. And then you got the dock, which also has Rare on it. And then this is the part I haven't done my research on. That inside comes with this little dongle, similar to their other offerings. I'm not sure if I actually have to put this into the Xbox for it to receive. If it does, not a big deal. I just put it into the back where it's not seen. But the most important thing was a nice, handy dock to charge it. And obviously when I pop it in there, sits in nicely, looks good, nice and compact. So looking forward to using this one. Okay, upon further research, and by research I mean reading the instructions, the quick start guide, yes, you do need to have this in the back of the Xbox so that this will operate wirelessly. If you wanted to do it wired, you could do that as well, but not really any point because you've got the nice dock. But you do have to stick this into the back of the Xbox so that the controller can communicate with the console. Not a big deal, just stick it where I can't see it, and got a nice secondary wireless controller that doesn't drive the household crazy with all the clicking.